How to clear your off Facebook activity history. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now on Facebook, there are two primary ways how Facebook collects information about you. First is through information it collects from websites and app you give it permission to. And the second is information that it gets from third parties such as marketing firms and ad networks. Facebook primarily uses this information to show you ads that are tailored to your interest. If you want to clear your off Facebook activity history, then you can do that. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the Facebook app on your device, be it Android, iPhone, or iPad. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Once you are on your settings, scroll all the way down and head to the section of Your Information. Here, tap on the option of Off Facebook Activity. Now tap on Continue. Now you can review your off Facebook activity in the Account Center of Facebook. Here, you want to tap on the option of Clear Previous Activity. Now here, you want to tap on the Clear option, and once you do, your activity history will be disconnected from your accounts. Go through all of this where it says your activity history will be disconnected from your accounts. Clearing your history may log you out of or disconnect you from Quora and Facebook interfaces. If this happens, you can still use Facebook to log back in, or you can connect again using Instagram. If you want that, tap on Clear Previous Activity option. And now your off Facebook activity history has been cleared. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.